So pretty. Come on, stairs. Right the way you go.
Ooh, damn.
Sorry, chicken.
So what's your plan today?
Finish the fairing on this side.
Finish the fairing.
Be pretty momentous.
On one half of the fairing.
Yes, we obviously still need to do the whole other side, but we don't talk about that just yet.
No.
That's a future Matnifka problem. Yes, I might start on the grinder in the cove where the belt sander can't fit, and then Matt will hop on the belt sander on the top bit, and then we can epoxy that to seal the timber, and off we go.
Nice. A little bit left to go. That patch there. Working our way up. When you don't get paid to build your own boat, you pay yourself in belts. So when you think you've earned a new belt, that's your pay for the day. So I'm probably on 2 belts an hour, maybe 3 actually. These are 40 grip belts. We're munching through them. It's not actually done, but it's a lot quicker if you put a fresh one on. So, what's that? 2 belts an hour. They're about $3 a belt, so $6 an hour.
You weirdo.
I might get a pay raise. 3 belts an hour.
So pretty.
Okay, so the loose plan now is to fit the saloon table, or as we prepare the saloon table, and I think at the same time I'm going to prepare the sole, so the floorboards of the boat. They're going to be myrtle as well, we think. So I'm just going to start by removing the ladder, the existing plywood floor, and making a pattern for the first sole board to go in. Yeah, so I just got to move some stuff and it'll be alright. Including this rather heavy ladder somewhere. Well, the camera died before I could finish my pattern making, but we've made this one which slides in against the bunk. A little bit crazy curves, a lot going on. And now we're fastening, we're going to look at putting this next one in. And yeah, hopefully we'll just go next to it and then everything's going to be alright. We hope. It's got a bit to go, but there'll probably be a hatch there and maybe a hatch here as well, but I'm hoping that centre plank will do that. Bit tight, which is interesting. I don't know. Cool, almost there. And then
How do you mark that?
this is harder to mark. You kind of got to just imagine the distance you're moving in, which is 28 mil. So 28 mil, it'll just touch the edge of this.
Mm-hmm.
But 28, it's already touching there. So you just got to make it up.
Move it 28 mil inwards, so that's how much you take up from the bottom.
Yeah. So I'll just make a cut.
Maybe we should take that bowl of gin away.
Yeah, it's good.
Evidence of Dutch courage.
My birthday party 2 years ago. Still in the bilge, but empty.
No more Dutch courage left in there.
Nah. So I call the articulating workbench. You can get from each angle.
Surfing.
Surfing workbench. Come on, baby. Yes.
Yes.
Alright, one more plank.
That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Obi, did you see it? It's beautiful.
Pay some respects, buddy.
Can't wait for your little paws to stand on there, Obes.
Cool. Cool. So we have the sole boards in, dry fitted. Still a couple more to do around the place, but for now we're going to take these ones out, epoxy the underside, and floor wax the top. I think we're going to use wax, floor wax. We've used that in our house and it was pretty impressive. And you can always reapply it. So yeah, I think we'll throw these out and take them downstairs and get some stuff on them.
So beautiful. Before you take them out, I want to walk on them. Maybe Obi wants to walk on them too.
I don't know.
It was a lot easier when there were stairs here, wasn't it?
It was much easier.
This is very, very pretty. I don't think we need bunks. We can just sleep on the floor. We won't need anything. I can't believe this wide one.
Yeah, it is big.
So beautiful. I'm excited to wax it.
Yeah, it'll look good.
There's definitely tiger print in this one.
Yeah, that one's got some figure.
And this one's just got yellow, orange, purple, and pink. Nice. Right.
How's your feet space there? Not quite.
I think most important is that, yeah.
Maybe there just won't be any storage on this table.
Maybe it's not that important to cross your legs. I mean, you can do it when you move around. It's just I always sit like this, I don't know why.
Yeah.
Yeah, that doesn't work.
What do you reckon?
Oh God.
Pretty good?
Yep. You've only got a tiny little bit of talent, don't you? It's beautiful. I love it so much.
A little bit of luck.
It's the most beautiful table I've ever seen in my whole life. Obi, can you believe it? Can you believe it?
Pay me some respect.
Can you believe how pretty it is? Bit of a furniture maker now, aren't you?
I'm not doing that. This is not a regular thing. Every now and then.
Hello.
Well, I apologise because I haven't filmed much of the creation of our saloon table. Fine joinery is a bit hard to film sometimes, and I find it slow and tedious to try and keep up. You know, all the joinery takes 10 times longer, so a day's worth of joinery may be probably compacted into 5 minutes. It's just a lot of work. But what we've done is made the saloon table. Got to knock the plugs off, give it a sand and an oil. It's pretty basic, has a slight overhang where the couch is so that you don't hit your legs. The tabletop we've finished up and we're still oiling. That goes on top and is screwed down. It has a little kick bar in the centre. So when you're sitting, you can put your feet on this to brace yourself at sea. We've also installed a drawer. Just for cutlery, we think, or something like that, very small. But yeah, we're quite happy. It's all Tasmanian myrtle, as well as our sole and the top. It's been pretty nice to work with, and we'll get these plugs knocked off and get some oil on it, and it'll look $1 million. So yeah, and I'll cut these down as well and sort of make them nice. Cool. Yes, Obi, I know.
Let's see the inside of the drawer.
Nice. Plug knocking.